And if you consider that and you consider, okay, what's 1% of that number, just 1% of that number, and then we're gonna take 1% every day for 2 weeks, and we're gonna put it into a pool that not only could you win a percentage of the pool, right? You can actually be a voter, vote for the right project, and win a percentage of that pool in terms of the tokens we're going to buy. But hey, we're telling you in advance, hey, we got this huge purchase. We're telling you at 7 o'clock on a Monday. Hey guys, guess what? At 8 o'clock on a Monday, we're going to go onto the exchange and we're going to tell you exactly how much, because we'll tell you the pool value. We're going to buy $100,000 worth of token XYZ in 1 hour. And if anybody understands anything about cryptocurrency, understands anything about having information at the right time and then taking the right action, right? I heard a lot of people say, man, just once in my life, I like to be at the right place at the right time. Well, you're going to be at the right place at the right time every 2 weeks of your life. When you join Sosana, every 2 weeks for the rest of your life, you'll be at the right place at the right time. Here's the question.